Children, today's topic is action words or verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are actions that we do. Bathing. 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 The boy is bathing. Eating. 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 The girl is eating her breakfast. Drinking. 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 The children are drinking milk. Reading. 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 The children are reading a book. Writing. 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 The boy is writing his homework. Praying. 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 The girl is praying before her breakfast. Laughing. 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 The boy is laughing. Standing. 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 The boy is standing. Clapping. 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 The girl is clapping her hands. Dancing. 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 The girl is dancing. Washing. 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 Kids, wash your hands before and after eating anything. Sitting. 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 The boy is sitting. Kids, let's try to make sentences using action words. Kids, look at the picture. What is the girl doing? Yes, the girl is sleeping. Kids, look here. What are the children doing? Yes, the children are studying. What is the mother doing? The mother is cooking food. What are the birds doing? The birds are flying in the sky. What are the children doing? The children are playing with the ball. And what is the baby doing? Yes, the baby is crying. Kids, let's learn more examples. Driving. Riding. Yawning. Sliding. Singing. Sneezing. Shouting. Thinking. Hearing. Digging. digging, cleaning, cleaning, crawling, crawling, jumping, jumping, cutting, cutting, swimming, swimming, climbing, climbing, throwing, throwing, catching, catching, kicking, kicking, skipping, skipping, and walking, walking,